It's amazing to see something from your head laid out before you. What a beautiful evening. This is a great April in Massachusetts. What's up, guys? So this is the final night before the first round of Amour Northeast Motorcycle Road Racing. Round 1, April 27th, 28th, this weekend. So this is the last night in the garage. I'm loading up the trailer right now, and after 2 months of building the 400, ta-da! It's done, kind of. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's done. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the finished build, minus my terrible decals, because I'm on a time crunch on getting this thing loaded. It's the last thing I'm gonna load in the trailer before I load all my clothes and toiletries and all the non-fun stuff. So without further ado, here it is, the Ninja 400 race bike with Yamaha speed block colors. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's amazing to see something from your head laid out before you. There was a lot of headache while I was building this, but oh man, just look at it. Oh, it's a great looking bike, I gotta admit. But quick rundown of all the parts while I can think of them. Let's start from up at the controls. I got a K-Tech 20 IDS, a Brembo RCS 15, a Domino quick turn throttle kit, compulsory Woodcraft lever guards, both brake and clutch side. I also got the Woodcraft key switch eliminator integrated into their switch pods, which is trick if you ask me. Yeah, I think I mentioned this. I got a Pudge windscreen and then a Spiegler 90-degree custom line, stainless steel with a purple banjo and a purple brake line, coming down to a set of Brembo P-Force mated to a Spears bracket with titanium bolts and a Brembo 310 full floater, super source spec. Don't mind my terrible safety wiring job there. It is gross, I know. Tomorrow I'm gonna get some tires put on and mounted onto the beast. Stepping up the way, let's talk about the body. It is a full Amour body super sport kit with a superbike seat base. This acts as a superbike tail, essentially. The color of the bike was originally teal, but I got a tank cover off of eBay for relatively cheap. It had mounting points here on the other side as well as down by the battery tray, but they were interfering with a lot of the body work. I ended up just chopping these off. Double-sided sticky tape. It's held on pretty well, fingers crossed. With that, I do have a set of tech specs on the side, plus a tech spec tank extender. This is held on by silicone adhesive. I was very sketch about that adhesive onto a ABS plastic tank cover, but so far so good, man. Like, it's pretty stout. Definitely recommend this. Give you a little bit extra leg leverage. Footwork, we have Woodcraft rear sets, no braided lines in the rear. I also have a full Hindo Evo megaphone exhaust, which I will put a baffle in to go with the Bouse Racing Flash. The baffle actually adds more horsepower because of the back pressure, I'm assuming, than just running it full without a silencer in it. Also, we got the 35 DDS from K-Tech. I have a Yo-Yo 9 slipper clutch bi-spring kit in here. Engine covers on both sides of the bikes, courtesy of Woodcraft. A PSR pre-drilled oil filler cap, as well as an oil drain cap on the other side. Can't see here, but I removed the OEM coolant reservoir and I switched out with a Motion Pro one. It clears up a lot of space down in this area because this is where the OEM coolant reservoir would have stayed. Moving on back, oh yeah, before I forget, Vortex gas cap, keyless, easy. Over here we got a HM Plus quick shifter unit mated to the bike. The unit is set in the back seat here, which is pretty tricky. Oh, also I did not a 520 conversion since this bike already came with a 520, but I did a up one in the rear. Stayed the same in the front, but I changed it out for a DID chain. Just wanted something a little bit sturdier. And also forgot, brake pads in here are Ferroto carbons mated to the Brembo, and decal kit from, who do I want to say? Inline Design out of Pennsylvania. I think his name is Joe. I will correct myself if I'm wrong. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's been a long couple months, but I had him fab up this 50th anniversary decal kit, and dude, it's a Picasso. It's good from afar, but it's far from good. I did my best. Decals and stickers are not my favorite thing in the world, but you know, it did the job. I think it looks stunning even from afar, and that's coming from me. We're gonna load this sucker up courtesy of the Pitbull trailer restraint system. Trust these things. Oh man, best bang for your buck right here if you're transporting your bike. You never have to worry once you lock them in. I'm probably forgetting a lot of stuff. I got Graves, velocity stack, MWR race filter, gray smog block off plates, Fierce Racing clutch shift assist for better shifting feel at the foot. Am I forgetting anything else? I don't think so. It's been a while. I built this bike and I'm just ready to rip, man. I'm ready to rip. I'm ready to enjoy this over the next couple of days. We have open practice on Friday, 3 races on Saturday, and 2 races on Sunday for the first round. The weather looks amazing. April in the Northeast is always finicky once it even rained. But I think this week it should be okay. Expected highs of 70s on Sunday. No rain in sight until the evening, so fingers crossed, man. I'm gonna do another video of things I learned about myself when building this bike and things I learned about building the bike in general. I've had a hell of a time and I can't wait to turn the first wheel on Friday. I am going to load this into the trailer, lock it up, finish packing, and call it an evening. I can't wait to be at the track, so catch you guys later. Peace.